Then, with a hammer and a sacrificial piece of metal, heavily damage the bolt. With your key, use the key to open the QwikLine thread chaser 1/4 turn. And then simply just slide it on the bolt. Align it with the threads that are damaged, and using your impact, impact it off. Now you can see that the damaged threads have been fixed. We don't overcut or undercut those threads. Now with a little practice, you'll be a pro at demoing the QwikLine thread chaser. It's easy and will allow you to bring this powerful solution to your customers and open doors for you.